Sometimes you need your machines to simply do more in order to achieve greater productivity, higher levels of precision, or make better quality parts in less time. At far less than the purchase price of a new machine, a Peiffer CNC Control Retrofit provides a truly workable solution. We start with a whole machine assessment, fully inspecting mechanical, electrical, hydraulic, and pneumatic components. You can expect full panel building and rewiring, complete retrofit integration, and follow-up training and documentation. As a FANUC authorized CNC systems integrator, our team has the depth of experience and access to the world's leading control systems to ensure your retrofitted machine delivers new levels of productivity for your operation. Greater accuracy, higher repeatability, and better part quality. Put the Peiffer expertise to work on your retrofit project today.